Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to stop Talkback now. First, accept that gestures are different. Use 2 fingers to scroll and double tap to activate. Unlock the phone and open settings using 2-finger swipe in the app list. If a volume key accessibility shortcut is enabled, press and hold both volume up and volume down for about 3 seconds to toggle Talkback. Do this first because it restores normal touch behavior quickly, and once Talkback is paused, the rest of the steps become straightforward. Once you're in settings, navigate to accessibility. It might be labeled Screen Reader on some Realme models, and find Talkback. You'll need to use 2-finger scrolling to reach the Talkback entry, then double tap to open it because single taps only speak. Inside, locate the Talkback toggle and double tap the switch to turn it off. If a confirmation dialog appears, double tap the Confirm or Turn Off button. This disables spoken feedback. Make sure the toggle shows off before leaving the menu. To finish, exit settings and test the screen with single taps. Normal touch should be back. If Talkback keeps reappearing, restart the phone. That clears lingering services. Then open accessibility and disable the volume key shortcut to prevent accidental reactivation. If you still can't stop Talkback, boot into safe mode or connect a USB keyboard to navigate. This helps if a third-party app or shortcut is forcing Talkback on. One key troubleshooting tip. If gestures won't work, restart and hold both volume keys for 3 seconds while rebooting to force a toggle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.